Hey Navy, it's your friend Maggie Rose. I'd like to give a huge thanks to the Navy, to Navy Exchange, to MWR Navy Entertainment. They have been kind enough to give me the privilege of performing on naval bases all over the world, and it's been such a privilege. But today, with everything going on, I am going to perform for you from the safe distance of Nashville, Tennessee. I'm here in East Nashville in my backyard, but we still need music. The music doesn't stop. I love you all. I'm so appreciative of what you do. This is a song that's a title track from my last record, and it's a record that I made live here in Nashville with a bunch of my bandmates and some great musicians, and it's about leaving the world better than you found it, and each and every one of you certainly do that for me and do that for all of us. So thank you for the sacrifices you make and for being so awesome and leaving the world better than you found it. It's called Change the Whole Thing. Every day seems like you wake up in the morning a little bit further from where you wanna be. You're losing faith. Say, what's the point of trying when you're running out of time and you're in this deep? I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Lord knows I got a lot to learn myself. It's getting harder watching you, putting that heart of yours through hell. The world wasn't broken in a day. It ain't gonna stay this way forever. But you ain't gotta change a whole damn thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. You ain't gotta change the whole thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. It's a tough thing to face. Change can take a little longer, but if you really want it, it's worth the wait. And it's okay, 'cause even if you never see it, doesn't mean you can't be it either way. No, I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Lord knows I got a lot to learn myself. It's getting harder watching you, putting that heart of yours through hell. The world wasn't broken in a day. It ain't gonna stay this way forever. But you ain't gotta change a whole damn thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. You ain't gotta change the whole thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. Just a little, just a little, just a little, just a little bit. Just a little, just a little, just a little, just a little bit. Just a little, just a little, just a little, just a little bit. Goes a long way, and all it takes is just a little, just a little, just a little bit. I ain't trying to tell you what to do. Lord knows I got a lot to learn myself. It's getting harder watching you, putting that heart of yours through hell. The world wasn't broken in a day. It ain't gonna stay this way forever. But you ain't gotta change the whole damn thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. You ain't gotta change the whole thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. You ain't gotta change the whole thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. No, you ain't gotta change the whole thing. You just gotta leave it a little better. Oh, hey. Just a little, just a little, just a little, just a little bit. Just a little, just a little, just just a little bit. Oh, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Love you so much. And I know that you guys sent me some questions specific to what's going on right now. One of them was, how are you staying creative during this time? Which is every day a different challenge. I'm writing songs, but trying to find subject matter that will be timeless and not so relevant to what's going on right now. Playing more piano. I've started a garden. I'm getting very adventurous in the kitchen. So all of those little creative outlets are getting me through, and the Peloton has been nice. Beyond that, I'm just obsessed with watering these little sprouts every morning. We planted a lot of flowers from seeds, so that's like my baby. That's what I wake up in the morning to go see and pay a visit to. Speaking of growing things from seed and being optimistic, this is a gospel song of mine that's a favorite. It's been sung by so many different artists over the years because it has that timeless quality, and it's always brought me a little comfort, so maybe it'll provide the same for you. People get ready, there's a train coming. Don't need no baggage, you just get on board. All you need is faith, you hear the diesels humming. Don't need no ticket, you just thank the Lord, yeah, 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 yeah. People get ready for the train to Jordan, picking up passengers from coast to coast. Faith is the key, open the doors and board them. There's room for all among the lost and lost. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. People get ready for. Sorry, the wind messed me up.
It's fine, I can cut it.
Okay. You startled me. All right, so we'll just pretend. Okay. People get ready, there's a train coming. Don't need no baggage, you just get on board. All you need is faith, you hear the diesels humming. Don't need no ticket, you just thank the Lord, yeah. People get ready for the train to Jordan, picking up passengers from coast to coast. Faith is the key, open the doors and board them. So there's room for all among the lost and lost. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. is fake. Your diesel's a humming. Don't need no ticket, you just thank the Lord. I'm getting ready, yeah. I'm getting ready, yeah. I'm getting ready, yeah. I'm getting ready. It's a favorite of mine. People Get Ready, Eva Cassidy. I love her version of it. So there's some more questions that we have. I think one of them I mentioned cooking being a new creative outlet for me. And my favorite at-home meal, new at-home meal since all of this went down, is Nashville hot chicken, which feels very appropriate. Given that I've lived here for 13 years, I feel like it was time for me to master a culinary staple for this city that I'm living in. And it's quite delicious. I like mine very, very hot. If anyone's familiar with Nashville hot chicken, you know that it can get pretty dangerous. So I'm pushing the boundaries there a little bit. But try that out. See if you guys can whip a batch up of your own. I am so thankful to you guys. Thank you again to Navy Exchange for having me. And thank you to MWR Navy Entertainment. I can't wait to come out and perform at your base when all of this is over. So looking forward to it. You guys are an inspiration to me, and I love you very much. I remember the way you looked at me for the first time. Our eyes lingered in the symphony of another Saturday night, and you still do that to me, like I'm the only one, the only melody, yeah, it's you. I was waiting for, and I never ever saw you coming. I need you forevermore, and I never want to see you go. Love was just a losing game, far as I knew. I think of all the hearts that had to break just to find you, and you still drive me crazy, so crazy. I wanna have you, baby, baby, it's you. I was waiting for, and I never ever saw you Love you all so much. Again, it's Maggie Rose. God bless you. Go Navy!